everyone, happy Wednesday. Today we're going to be reading a book about kindness. So, like my shirt, it says be kind. I hope you enjoyed today's story. My brother's going to be reading for you guys.
Today we're going to be reading a story about Pete the Cat's Groovy Guide to Kindness.
Tips
from a cool cat on how to be kind.
By
Kimberly and James Dean.
Good job.
The three things in human life are important. The first is to be kind. The second is to be kind. And the third is to be kind. Henry James. Kindness. It's kinda my thing. Pete. Guard well within yourself that treasure, kindness. Know how to give without hesitation, how to lose without regret, how to acquire without meanness. George Sand. No act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted. Every act of kindness is groovy. Remember that the happiest people are not those getting more, but those giving more. For whoever, in enjoying a kindness, knows how to return one as well, he is a friend more valuable than any possession. Kindness is contagious. Wherever there is a human being, there is an opportunity for kindness. There is a chance to be kind to any cat you meet. And above all, these put on love, which binds everything together in perfect harmony. Those who are happiest are those who do the most for others. Bring happiness to everyone you meet. Try to be a rainbow in someone's cloud. Integrity is doing the right thing even when no one is watching. Radiate good vibes. Have you had a kindness shown? Pass it on. Share kindness everywhere you go. One kind word can warm 3 winter months. Just one kind meow can warm a heart. Be the change you want to see. Kindness is free. Sprinkle that stuff everywhere. Good vibes all the time. Be a little kinder than you have to. It's cool to be kind. Kind cats are cool cats. Our fingerprints don't fade from the lives we touch. Kindness lasts. Friends show their love in times of trouble. Be kind whenever possible. It is always possible. Kindness is always the grooviest thing to do. On the best portion of a good man's life, his little nameless, unremembered acts of kindness and love. Let your light shine. Kindness is the touch of an angel's hand. Kind people are the best kind of people. Kind cats are my kind of cats. Never believe that a few caring people can't change the world, for indeed that's all who ever have. Kind hearts are the gardens. Kind thoughts are the roots. Kind words are the flowers. Kind deeds are the fruits. Kindness grows the coolest flowers. The end.